Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes, Standard 8th Science, Chapter 15, Topic Sound. Now, let us solve the question and answers related to this topic. Let's begin. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. First one, the region in a sound wave with higher pressure and density is called compression, and that with low pressure and density is called refraction. Second, medium is needed or necessary for generation of sound. Third, the total number of compressions and refractions produced per second in a sound wave is 1000. The frequency of the sound wave is 500 Hz. Fourth, different sound notes have different frequencies. Fifth, in a loudspeaker, mechanical energy is converted into sound energy. Question number 2, give scientific reason. As the sound wave propagates from one place to the another in air, the air itself is not required to move from one place to the other. Answer. Propagation of sound through air occurs due to energy transfer by vibrating air molecules in one region to those in the adjacent region away from the source. The molecules simply vibrate about their mean positions, hence the air itself is not required to move from one place to the other. Second, astronauts on the moon cannot hear each other directly. Answer. The moon does not have atmosphere since there is no medium which is necessary for generation and propagation of sound between the astronauts. Direct sound propagation between them is not possible. Therefore, the astronauts use cell phones to communicate with each other. Third point, it is essential to change the tension in the vocal cords as we produce different sound notes from our larynx. Different sound notes correspond to different frequencies. The frequency of sound depends on the tension in the vocal cords. Hence, it is essential to change the tension in the vocal cord as we produce different sound notes from our larynx. Question number 3, match the following. Column A, human larynx, vibration of metal arms. Second, loudspeaker, vibration in air column. Third, jal tarang, vibration in vocal cords. Fourth, tuning fork, vibration in strings. Sitar, vibrations in a screen. Now this is the question form of match the following. Now let us see the answer of this. Answer. First one, human larynx, vibration in vocal cord. Second, loudspeaker, vibration in screen. Third, jal tarang, vibration in air column. Tuning fork, vibration of metal arms. Sitar, vibrations in strings. Question number 4, answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which produces sensations of hearing in our ears. Second, what is vibration? Answer. Vibration is a rapid to and fro periodic motion of an object about its mean position. What is compression? Answer. As the sound wave travels through air, the region in which air is at high pressure and high density is called compression. What is rarefaction? As the sound wave travels through air, the region in which air is at low pressure and low density is called rarefaction. Question number 5 is draw neat labeled diagrams of the following. Now see, what is first given to here is a tuning fork which makes a sound when it is shaked. Okay, now see the figure carefully. You have to draw as it is in your book. Observe it properly and proper notifications should be also given to the tuning fork. Second is the waves generated by different types of tuning forks. Now 1, 2 and 3. 3 figures are included in this topic. Okay, and the last one, what is the last one here? This is production of sound by a tuning fork. And the last one is internal construction of a loudspeaker. Now you are observing the loudspeaker during any occasion where mic is used. Now, but how is the loudspeaker internally? We can understand this by observing this diagram carefully. You can refer to the textbook for proper images. Thanks for watching this video. In this manner, we have completed this lesson. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. I hope students you all are liking my videos. You can also comment me if you want me to make a video on any related topic. Thanks a lot. Bye everyone.